What's the deal, everyone? Welcome back to the studio, or at least the Zimmer's coffee section of it. I'm Jeremy Dio, and today I'm going to be giving you the 5 reasons why I think Fotello wins, and ultimately why I switched my company's deliveries over to their platform over my old editing team. And while I do that, I'm going to make some coffee. Now, a few months ago, I made a video talking about where Fotello fails, and I'll link that up above just in case you're curious. But since I made that video, man, the platform itself has made a ton of changes and updates. And with that in mind, let's jump straight into the first reason I like Fotello over all the other AI editing platforms out there. Updates. More than any other company or platform I've worked with before, honestly, Fotello's out here dropping updates like sneaker resellers are dropping their prices all day. Almost every issue I talked about in that video has been resolved by the company. I really kind of appreciate the way they listen to their creators and specifically focus their updates on systems that really help us. All right, the second reason I personally believe, the second and third reason are actually kind of a toss-up as to which is more important or maybe like which is better. So think of this less of a list of importance and more of just like a full list of reasons. So the second reason I love the Fotello platform is that they do not charge by image, they charge by listing. Now, I know for a fact this drives some photographers bananas. They hate this, goes against their business model, and I can totally understand that. But for me, this is actually incredible. I work with over 350 agents in my area, and the one thing they all have in common is actually wanting more. I've never once delivered a listing where the agent said, "Hey, can you deliver less images next time?" As a matter of fact, the only suggestion I ever get about image count is specifically, can I get more? This is one of the areas where Fotello actually shines for my business because I no longer have to worry about image count on deliveries, no longer worried about riding my photographers to cull down images to a pre-specified number. I'm no longer stressing about the number of images I'm editing per property to make sure it falls inside the bounds of still being profitable. We simply show up to a property, we photograph it, and we deliver everything we took. And Fotello actually makes that side easier. Now, this is huge and something that I personally believe a lot of people are sleeping on. Since switching over to Fotello, all the agents I work with have noticed the number of images increase per delivery, and the majority of them have complimented me on that fact. And over that, referred me out specifically because of it. All right, y'all, I don't know what happened there. My camera glitched out on me while I was making the coffee, so while it's sitting over there cooling, I'm going to change real quick and then we'll continue this. Give me a second. That's a little bit better, a little more comfortable, I think. Next topic I want to bring up is same-day delivery. Now, I know the majority of you watching me are creators and not agents, and you think the words that just came out of my mouth are pure blasphemy, but let me tell you who doesn't. All my clients. Just like I mentioned in the last point, never once have I had a client ask me to please take more than a day to deliver their images. As a matter of fact, if you've been in this industry for more than 5 minutes, I guarantee you've heard, what are the chances we can get those before the end of the day? This is a huge need for agents, and I'll break it down for you from their perspective of why it's important. Hold on, this is too high. All right. Photography, in case you didn't know, is basically the very last thing that gets done on property before it goes live. Typically, and when I say typically, I mean more than 75% of the houses my team photograph. That listing's going live the very next morning. So if I show up Thursday, it's going live Friday. And if I show up on Monday to shoot it, Tuesday is probably their live dates. Some agents do the bare minimum and they just need our images to go live on sites like MLS, Redfin, Zillow, you know them all. But a lot of the great agents, well, they need those images ahead of time to create all the other marketing materials that go with the sale of the property. They would all rather receive those images at 10 p.m. that night, so they have until 8 a.m. the next morning to make all of those marketing materials. Nothing is worse for your client relationship than to have them sitting around waiting on your images to go live. Whether it's due to their lack of planning or not, I'm not saying it's your fault. It doesn't matter to them. They only care about you providing them with what they need and when they need it. And if you can't do it quick enough, I guarantee you there's someone out there that will. And they'll take your client. I'll take your client. Don't believe me? Ask any agent you work for right now how long it takes them to create their marketing materials, and you'll instantly find out the good ones that are ordering multiple listings a month are the ones that go the distance for their marketing. From my experience over the past 12 years, the agents that list 2 houses a year are the lackadaisical ones who don't value the traffic that well-created marketing can bring to your brand. Or they're agents that just realize the importance of those said marketing materials, and they are just deciding to get into that side of the industry. Again, just like with the last thing I brought up, I've been congratulated and recommended to new clients specifically because of my team's ability to do same-day deliveries. You as a creator may not see the value, but trust me when I tell you your clients will. All right, now 4 and 5, they're kind of a joint topic here again. Consistency, quality. Now, me personally, 0 issues with my last editing team and their consistency. Talk a lot about them on this channel, just like I'm doing now with Fotello, because it truly is difficult to find a reliable team of editors, especially ones that can handle the workload from a team of creators. It took me 10 years of switching through editing teams every few years to finally find them. And then that harsh reality is once I even found the ones I like the most, Fotello's edited product is better. And it's cheaper. Now, this isn't me selling you on a product. This is me comparing apples to apples from my different personal 2 editing teams. And time again, Fotello beat them, honestly. This wasn't always the case. I tried Fotello a bunch of times in the past before one day, I guess they just had like an incredible update, and that update was so good, it took them over the top for me. Now, I did change around the way my creators shoot on site, so that way it can better match with the way Fotello operates on the back end, but that has nothing but saved my creators time on site. All right, hold on. Let me tangent out for a minute and give you a quick breakdown of how I used to shoot first and how I shoot now. So just in case you're new here, I have 2 tiers of products, a basic standard MLS delivery and a high-end version. Isn't new, always operated this way. And in my personal opinion, the reason I have so many agents that I work for. But that's kind of the subject of a whole nother video, right? Let's get back to the initial tangent before my ADD brain brings us down a totally separate rabbit hole. All right, so basic MLS product. It was a single exposure image with me holding a large off-camera strobe like an 8200 and placing small strobes in the conjoining rooms to bring up that exposure. Takes a little extra time on site, but back then it created an image that looked better than any blend. The high-end version of that shoot was the same flashed image, but also with an HDR bracket. So it was a flambient merged with an HDR blend. Again, another unique product. Now, both of my package are HDR blends because that's what works best with Fotello from all of my past testing. I did a video about that also. Now, my lower end product is a simple 3-bracket exposure, slightly overexposed in camera. And my high end is a 9-shot bracket. I know what you're saying. Overkill? Trust me, it's not. I refer again to the video I just spoke about. I've tested the Fotello platform for months with hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of images, and these are my personal findings. Why did I say all that just now? Well, it's because now the barrier to entry is less. My creators don't need a host of strobes to bring with them, only a tripod, camera, and wide-angle lens. It also means that my creators' time on site is much less. And I'm talking like half the time it used to take with my strobe method. Without a doubt, no matter how many times I tested it, a basic 3-bracket HDR from Fotello looked better than a single image with flash added and edited by my professional editing team. I tested this for months. I sent over hundreds of samples of the exact same image to both. And even when I sent over the same single shot exposure with external strobes added, that was sent to the Fotello team. I was sending them both all the same stuff, and Fotello just simply did a better job there too. There were less overexposed area in the final image. I did notice when I first started using the platform, though, it had a whole lot of color issue consistencies, especially in walls, especially in multiple views of the exact same room. Now that issue is almost negligible. It does happen occasionally, but generally speaking, the color accuracy is incredibly high now. So if you haven't tested the program in the past 6 months, I highly recommend giving it another go, even if it's just a sample like test batch. it might honestly surprise you. Now, let's break down everything we've talked about and some things I didn't quite bring up yet. Fotello now supports Teams, which is benefit number one for me. I talk about that in the old video. It takes less time to edit through Fotello, so your delivery time can be near instant. I'm no longer charged per image, I'm charged per listing, which makes my business model much easier to predict and, in the process, making the lives of my creators on site and at home much better by having a way of reduced call time from their shoots, no longer removing everything. This is actually my bonus 6 reason why I think Fotello rocks. Not only is the stability of paying per listing over paying per image better for my personal business model, it's better for my employees' lives. It feels less like I'm being nickel and dime for every little image and more like I'm providing myself a very predictable spend on client per order without the fluctuations I had to account for when being charged per image. Now, overall, Fotello has changed a lot about my business. And from where I'm sitting right now, 4 months in, they've all been pretty positive. Not just the money I make, but the lives of my teams, the resources I can make available to my clients. If you're interested in checking out the platform and supporting this channel at the same time, make sure to click that affiliate link down in the description so they know who sent you. Or feel free to use any other affiliate link I have in descriptions for all the hardware and software I personally use for my real estate empire. I actually had a meeting with one of the co-founders this very morning, and they have some really incredible stuff coming to the market extremely soon. Most of them blew my mind, so make sure to press that bell and subscribe if you want to hear more about that as soon as all that stuff drops for public use. Also, comment down below if you have any questions, comments, or concerns. Per usual, I am Jeremy Deal with Picture Your Property, and I will catch you next time. Yeah, I'll catch you next time. And man, I don't know what's going on with my Sony. If you see a bunch of jump cuts in this, for some reason, it's just stopping recording on me. It's frustrating me. Should I replace it with the Nikon ZR? Let me know. Hold on, let me grab this coffee and I'll be out of your hair. Y'all have a good one.